So what is up everyone, in this video let's take a look at this brand new BWT Alpine F1 team by Hot Wheels Premium Formula 1 collection of the 2025 season. The driver number we got here is the number 10, which is for Pierre. I think he is a highly underrated driver and he has been consistent in this season because the previous season's Alpine car was not that good. So anyways, let's open this up. So here we have the casting and I think it looks insane, probably the best out of the entire lineup of the 2025 season. Partly due to the paint on this, it looks like a metallic glittery blue. This is the exact type of paint that I hope the Aston Martin casting will have when it's released later. It will look incredible in the green paint. So on the front wing, we get a lot of decals going up the nose section along with number 10 and Alpine written on the top. Halo looks good and the helmet design for Pierre Gasly is actually really well detailed. On the sides we get the BWT decals along with other sponsor details, Alpine logo on the back. The rear wing has BWT on the top and Alpine on the back. The base is metal in the middle and the underflooring is plastic as always. The wheels are Real Rider Pirelli P0 hard compound wheels. And that's it for this casting. I got the 2024 version here as well. So we'll quickly compare both of them. So there we have it. Comment down below your thoughts about this casting or F1 in general if you like F1, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. I'll see you in the next one.